Went to South America chasing a wild claim that Vikings once made it into the deep jungles of Paraguay. There's a book called Vikings in Paraguay that shows hundreds of supposed runic and Phoenician-style petroglyphs. That was enough to get me hiking into the remote borderlands near Brazil with no trails, just raw jungle. The locals told me that the main site was off limits due to a Marxist guerrilla group that forbids outsiders, but I found one carving, and it looked very runic. I asked them over and over again, is this new? They said, no, this has always been here. I'm making no claims. I just thought that the world might want to know that we have basically old world script out in the middle of Paraguay near the Brazilian border. I don't necessarily know what to think of it. My job is to document it. Maybe we can get some archaeologists out here to take a professional look. After some help online, I believe it reads Sigthor Munk. That last word, Munk, remember that. Why? Because in that book, Vikings in Paraguay, one of the leading runologists was named Professor Munk. Very suspicious. Was this a coincidence, or is this a 20th century hoax by Mr. Munk? The lichen doesn't overwhelm the grooves. Someone could have cleaned it out, I guess, but still, that's very suspicious. But despite that, what about the hundreds of other inscriptions that no one can get to? Here are some sketches and photos from the area. If you have more, please send them to me.